Hello, welcome to my video on can you make money on YouTube without ads and showing your face? Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can start making money today with zero marketing and product costs on YouTube. And let me tell you, you don't have to have a product or even show your face on camera. Sounds good? Okay, let's start. So we all know that YouTube has become the place where we look for answers and how to do things and solve things, right? Well, if you want to skyrocket your sales without compromising too much personal time with friends and family, then I'm here to share you some ideas that you can implement right now and start making money as soon as today or tomorrow. One of the best ways to promote and sell something is to make a video that solves a problem and put a link on the description of the video or in the comments. Now, this is a golden nugget here, so pay close attention. Don't put your link on your first 10 videos of your brand new channel. YouTube doesn't like that, okay? You have to first build some trust and add value without any link for a product. This is a ninja strategy I learned from my mentor. Okay, so let me tell you another thing. You don't have to show yourself in the video necessarily. You can do this instead, okay? Take notes. Number 1, sign for an affiliate product. There are tons of products where you can make an extra $300 a week. Look for something that you feel happy promoting. Number 2, create a YouTube channel in a niche, okay? If you don't have any idea for a niche, I made another video on that inside my channel so you can have a better idea. Number 3, make a video with slides like a PowerPoint presentation with background music where you solve your client's problem. If you want to, you can outsource the work on Fiverr.com where you can pay from only $5 to get the video done and scripts created. Or you can use free tools like Zoom and iMovie to make videos and edit them. Then add royalty-free music to your slides and you are done. Now, you can have tremendous results with this simple thing. But if you want to have crazy solid income, then it's time to optimize your video with certain keywords, thumbnail image, etc., etc. This is a part where you tell YouTube and Google where do you want to show your video. And obviously, we want our video to appear in the first places on the first page, right? And of course, in front of red hot buyers. Once you've done this, it's just a rinse and repeat process. So now you have assets that will work for you 24/7 for years to come, generating affiliate commissions in autopilot. If you want an example of a video without showing your face, this is one. Let me show you.
Okay, so I wanted to show you this video because in this video, and if you want to go to this channel, it's Buddy Hub. I don't have anything to do with this channel. But these guys have very, very good videos where they don't show any like faces. They use like background images and background videos with some text on it. You can use the same thing here. You can make a voiceover, and as you can see, they have more than 1 million views. Now I have this in Spanish because, as you know, I'm Mexican and I have my YouTube in Mexico. So, and I cannot play this video because of the copyrights, okay? So go to this channel, you'll have a bunch of good ideas and or search this title. Another thing here, if you have you are promoting shake or protein shake or something for this niche, you can put your link in the comments like this guy. He put a link for another video but you can put your link for your affiliate product per se. Okay.
Because we know some numbers, this video could have been doing 10 to 100 times more money than from the ads they could play on this video. So making money from ads being played on your video is not as good as focusing on solving a problem and putting your link for the solution. Well, I hope this video gave you some really good ideas for your business, and please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can continue helping you. See you in the next time.